Live from Studio 7E in Rockefeller Center, this is News for New York.
Well, fear over swine flu has sparked newfound popularity, and antibacterial hand gels and soaps, we see them everywhere.
Everywhere, schools, hospitals, but there's a new weapon that promises to take on germs, including H1N1. Linda Piquero explains.
While New Yorkers arm themselves with flu vaccines to help them stay healthy this winter, there's another weapon on the horizon. A small bioscience company has come up with a product they claim kills some of the world's most dangerous microorganisms on contact, as well as the H1N1 virus. It's called Y-Gene, from the labs at Newark-based Bioneutral.
You would apply it either as a spray or a wet wipe onto a surface and allow it to stand for a few seconds and wipe it away, and it's clean. You have a totally clean surface.
According to the Centers for Disease Control, the swine flu virus can live up to 8 hours on a surface. Hand sanitizers can kill those germs, but the makers of Y-Gene say their product does that and much more. They say it also kills MRSA bacteria and even anthrax spores. Bioneutral is developing a military-grade version of Y-Gene, as well as one for hospitals and one for consumers.
All of our internal testing as well as external third-party testing have proven it to be extremely effective against anything that we put it up against.
Hello, I'm Dr. Andrew Kilbania, Chief Scientist at Bioneutral Group. We're a specialty chemical company focused on eliminating toxic gases and harmful microorganisms. I'm joined here today with Dr. Philip Tierno. He's the expert in microbiology and dealing with health-threatening microorganisms that threaten our nation. Essentially, Dr. Tierno, we'd like to talk with you about our new Y-Gene formulation designed for bioterrorism and dealing with anthrax.
I'm Dr. Philip Tierno. I've done testing on Y-Gene, and I'm Director of Clinical Microbiology and Immunology at New York University Medical Center. And I've done extensive work on the Y-Gene formulation specifically geared to be highly potent against some of the more difficult microbes. Of the 7 classes of microbes graded A through G, we have managed to test A, B, C, D, E, F, but not G, G being prions. Everything above prions was actually tested for, and the Y-Gene formulation was excellent at eradicating them, most of these organisms on contact. Take the most difficult organisms being spores. I tested the vaccine strain of Bacillus anthracis against the Y-Gene formulation, and in seconds it destroyed the spores. That is a pretty impressive and remarkable accomplishment when you consider the other agents that are commonly used, such as the aldehydes, glutaraldehyde 2%, formaldehyde 8%. Those are highly toxic and in fact take hours to eradicate such spores.